Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Thursday, March 11th, 2021. Where to start? With more dog shit? It's just an incredible situation. So we just found out that another 712,000 people just applied for first-time unemployment benefits. People, you can't make this stuff up. These numbers they're beyond belief. But again, the mainstream media is spinning this as, well, it could have been worse. It's unbelievable. It really is unbelievable. But that's just the way it is. How about this one? So the European Central Bank is now going to be increasing its debt purchases. You can't possibly imagine my shock here. This is what central banks are doing. I've been warning about this. I've been explaining this. Central banks are working in concert to buy it all. And no one's, except you, seem to give a damn about this or pay any attention to it. I mean, this is the biggest thing right now that is going on in the world. Forget about scamdemics and COVID, and it's the central banks buying it all. It's a sick thing to witness, especially when people they're mute about it. No one is even batting an eyeball about it. It's just all normal now. Oh, but we're in a recovery. You know that, and it's a great recovery. Yeah. Ask this new batch of 712,000 people who just applied for unemployment benefits if they think we're in a recovery. You can't make this stuff up. Absolutely impossible, people, but that's the situation we're in. Let's move forward here. Stock futures, wouldn't you know it, are higher across the board. Looks like the Dow is going to open at a new all-time record high. NASDAQ futures are getting a nice bump right now. It's so sick. The 10-year yield 1.51, lovely. Dollar weaker, perfect scenario. You got crude oil getting a bit higher. Again, imagine how shocked I am about this. You can't even imagine. I'm just beside myself. You got cryptocurrencies doing well. Bitcoin, 56,000, almost 57,000 right now. Gold and silver catching a bid right now. So that's it. That's the setup right now. It's just out of control. So look, in summary, our economy, it's dead. It's over. We're in free fall. There's no recovery in sight. As our government, is just dishing out trillions of dollars in more debt. Where are they getting it from? Our government's broke. We have no money. The brain dead freak, the new president. Where we getting the money, Joe? Joe, where's it coming from? You got to borrow it from the Fed, don't you? We don't have it. Duh! I guess you can't tell anybody that, can you? No, of course you can't. No. It's just bad. But that's the fact here. This is an engineered collapse of not just America, of the entire world. And central banks, the ECB, increasing debt purchases right now. The Federal Reserve going absolutely ballistic, inflating their balance sheet 100% in a year. You got to be kidding me. And this is just the beginning. Inflating debt bubbles, asset bubbles, distortions. I mean, it's sick. But that's the situation we're in. But again, look, with this aside, let's put all this over here for a moment. That means there's opportunity for us. And for my lions out here, check your email. I put out another trade alert this morning, a new trade. Go have a look at that. If you are not a subscriber to my free newsletter, what the hell are you waiting for? There is a link in the description of this video. And subscribe or not, I really don't care. But this will help you if you decide to rip the face off this market or sit back and be a sheep. I don't know what to tell you. If you're a stacker, you know what to do. If you're someone holding cryptocurrencies, you know what to do here, people. Look, the central banks are going to inflate. Inflate like you can't believe, and I've been explaining this to you for years and years and years. And they're not going to stop. It's not going to stop. All right, this is a bigger thing that is going on right now. And I think you know that. But what is it leading to? First of all, we're in an economic collapse. A full-on, complete, total economic collapse. You're not supposed to know that because the stock market is all-time record highs. Don't you see how they do this? How they spin things? Oh, don't worry. Just 712,000 people applied for first-time unemployment benefits, but it could have been worse. It could have been worse. It's incredible. It really is. All right, look, that's the situation we're in, people. Just, look, do something about it. Raise your awareness. Understand what's going on around you. Realize what they're doing to you. Again, if you're a member of the middle class, you're done. You're finished, and unless you act, you're going down to the lower rung of this new feudal system, this new two-tier society that I have warned you would come from a decade ago. Well, over a decade ago. Well, here it is. Here it is now. All right, look, I'm out of here. Love you a lot. Please share the video. Start talking about these things. People amongst each other, blog about it. Go on your social network. Share this video. I don't know what else to say. All right, I will see you at the end of the day. And that's it.